Good morning, children. Today I am here with English Reader, Chapter 9, The Surprising One. In last two videos, we have completed half of the story. So we have done till here. And today we will complete our story. Okay. So today we will read and know how their hand will separate. So now let's start the story. Well, you'll come to have along to Mother Bushel to see if she can unstick us, said Plod along. He and Grumple walked hand in hand to Mother Bushel's place. Mother Bushel was surprised to see the two coming hand in hand. Plod along explained to his sister. So, what did Plod along said? He said to Grumple that you have to come to my sister. Who was his sister? Mother Bushel. So he said to Grumple that you have to come to my sister house so she can unstick us. She can separate us. So they both means Plod along and Grumple. They both went hand in hand. So now children, hand in hand means holding each other hand. So they both went to Mother Bushel house by holding each other hand. So when Mother Bushel saw that both are coming hand in hand, means by holding each other hand, she was surprised to see that both are coming by holding each other hand. Then Plod along said everything what happened on the way. So then now see next line. You see, there's some sticky magic on his hand. He said, can you do anything about it? I think I know where that sticky magic come from. For shame, Grumple. Did you take my bun? She cried. Buns? What buns? Said Grumple. So what did Plod along said? You can see some stickiness magic glue is there on Grumple hand. Can you do something? He asked to her sister, Mother Bushel. So now what happened? So she was knowing that the stickiness come from her bun. So she was surprised that Grumple stole that bun. She asked to Grumple, did you take my bun? Did you stole my bun? In answer, what did Grumple said? Bun? What bun? I don't know anything about bun. What you are talking about? Then what happened? Oh well, if you didn't take them, it can't be my sticky magic, said Mother Bushel. I shouldn't be able to take it away then. Grumple couldn't be fastened like this to plod along all his life. What did Mother Bushel said? Okay, if you didn't take my bun, that means that sticky magic is not of my. I can't do anything. I can't able to remove that stickiness. So now Grumple face was like no hope. So children, what is the meaning of fastened? Chained or tied. So now Grumple's face was like no hope. Nothing can be done. Well, I did take your butts, he said, but I'll pay for them. Mother Bustle poured some magic water over his hand and away went the stickiness at once. So now Grumple has to agree that I took your buns and I'll give you money for that. I'll pay for that. Whatever I took, I'll give you money. Then Mother Bustle poured some magic water. Now see here how she's pouring water. Pouring that magic water. So Mother Bustle was pouring water on Grumple's hand. So when she poured that magic water, the stickiness went away from Grumple Goblin hand. Then what happened next? Let's read. Then she said, well, Grumple, remember this. If ever I think you are taking things that don't belong to you again, you'll find your hand as sticky as you did today. So just be careful. Mother Bustle still puts her currenty buns out on her windowsill to cool every Saturday. But since that time, she hasn't missed a single bun. So what did Mother Bustle said? So Grumple, remember again in future, if you are doing like this thing, that magic stickiness will come in your hand again. So just be careful. So now Mother Bustles again bake her currenty bun and she kept her bun on windowsill. And this time she doesn't miss her single bun because now Grumple Goblin didn't steal that bun. He became a good, well-mannered boy. So now this story is completed. I hope you have understood this story. You know what is the moral of this story? The moral of this story is we should not steal the things which doesn't belong to us. We should be honest and truthful. Always accept your mistake. If you do any mistake, then try to accept that. Okay? So this was the moral of the story. So here I have underlined some hard words. So go through this hard words. Currency, favorite, windowsill, upstairs, smelt, discovered, managed, frowned, imagine, stealing, well-mannered, wondered. Now come to next page. Crept, quietly, gracious, sticky, stuck, stickiness, joyfully. Here only few words. Now see next page. So what is the next word? Shook, horror, unstick, explained, fastened, poured. Okay. Write all the underlined words in your English reader copy. And here some word meaning also given. Frowned, crept along, fastened, and 3 word meaning also. And in next video I will explain the question answer and exercise. Till that, thank you.